Medicoz app is a social media platform for medical students and teachers. It is a platform that offers medical learning videos and e-learning courses to learn from the best teachers in the country.
In this video, I will explain to you how to use the Medicoz app. You will see on the screen a logo telling you when you click on that logo, you will see a window opening. And when you open, you will see the default page will go to the feeds, where you will every day see teachers and educators would have put up quizzes and informative videos for you. When you scroll in, you can see multiple different cases, discussions, education better. And when you click on the side menu, you can actually select these feed by the specialty, and you can go to any specialty by clicking on the button. You can go to pharmacology, microbiology, and select the feed that you want to see. We have gone to the video section at the bottom. When you go to the video section at the bottom, you can see on the top there is a menu list where you can select the subject, and free teaching videos will be available to you on each subject. You just need to click on the button and see the videos available. You can see now we are scrolling the video section. So the menu is on the top to see the video sections. When you click the courses button, you can see different courses available to you in different sections for PG entrance, for USMLE. And when you click the PG entrance, you can see courses like app-based TND, previous paper discussions. You can see different video discussions of JIPMER exam, AIMS exam, PJ exam. And these should be available for free. If you are a DAMS regular or a TND student, you can have a lot of access free, and some of that would be paid to different candidates. Depends on your course that you have joined in DAMS. You can see various popular courses like ECG basics, lung infections. There are many courses on Medicoz app. And then you have a courses for step 2. Now we have courses for CK, medicine and surgery, both available. You can go to the publication section. In publication, you will see a course publication called as Talking CRS. For each subject, a Talking CRS is available. When you click on Talking CRS, you will see ebook followed by videos by faculty on each chapter and a download button on the side. You can download the button and download the video on your phone memory. Make sure that you give permission to the app on your phone memory so that the app has access to your phone memory, and delete any unnecessary stuff in the phone memory. Scrolling through the courses, you will also see courses for super specialties. These are courses for various DM and MCH entrance exam which are now available on the app, and you can just click through the course and select any course that you want to pursue further. In NEET SS, there are 60 questions from each specialty, whichever you are opting for. We have special courses for MCI screening available. These are all subject wise arranged for MCI screening, people who are graduating in abroad and they want to appear for Medical Council of India screening exam. There are courses for professional exams like ophthalmology. You can see that how we have given case-based discussion on instruments. And then comes the question bank, where you can have each subject wise question bank available. I'm clicking on radiology. When I click on radiology, you see an option to start and the questions will appear in front of you like this. You just need to mark the answer that you're thinking. Right answer will be highlighted green, wrong will be highlighted red, and you can see the explanation appearing once you commit the answer. And you can easily find out what you're doing right and wrong on the app by clicking on the answers. Like you can see a question in front of you. When you do that, you can see a box on the top. When you click on it, you can convert the questions into statements and revise it like this, or because you are now revising point by point, it is much easier to do a revision in this manner. And you can click on the bubble where you can get the individual responses that you have done, like what questions were right and wrong. You can directly go to that question through that bubble. This is the bubble where you can directly go to the question where you want to go to. The importance of these questions is that these are handpicked by the faculty and DAM students and people who can buy the DQB on the online platform can also have access to the print questions as well. These questions will help you to practice multiple times. You can do it on the app as well as on the print version and get the comfort of both the paper as well as computer based platform. Another thing I want to highlight is that this app has 3 features. The feed, where you have daily updates by the teachers, videos where the teaching videos are put up free of cost, and courses. The access to the courses will depend on your enrollment status with DAMS, so that it is very important that you log in properly with your roll number and password given to you at the time of enrollment. Any problem that you face in your accessing any course, you can email to helpdesk@damsdaily.com. I hope you enjoyed the app experience. Thank you.